Okay, first what you're going to do is we're going to take the fiberglass piece off so we can get to the wires, and that's another video that will be attached to your email. I'll show you this, and once that's done, you pull the wires out. You want to pull the foot switch wire out, and then you're going to want to pull out the attach the wire. I'll show you how to do that at the end, wrapping it up. But anyways, as far as putting this on, you're going to attach the plate as shown in the this video right now, and then drill and tap with the included bit, which is a drill and tap combo. Now you can see me sliding the control unit on. Once you have that piece on, then you're going to screw it down, and then we're going to put this unit on. We're going to screw it on. There's a screw that came with the in the bag with everything. I'm going to put this in. Okay. Screw that down, and then at some point you'll be able to put the battery on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start putting the wires in. Okay, so that's screwed down. Main thing you want to do is you want to make sure that this is on this opposite side of where your release handle for the side lock. That way it's not going to interfere with anything on the table. As you can see here, I've got it on the opposite side. There's nothing for it to interfere. The pedals can't interfere for kickers or anything. So you want to make sure that this is in a clear area where nothing is going to interfere, and the best spot is in the center where the column, but on the opposite side where the as I said. And now I got the adapter. The adapter plugs in. I'll show you this again at the end of this video. You'll see. And then we're going to, I've got this draped out like this because I'm just doing a mock-up. But what you want to do is once you have the shroud that goes over top of at the bottom, the plastic or the steel covering, you're going to want to put this through a hole that's at the edge and then tape it up. I'll start showing you how to tape this up a little bit, but I'll show you a little bit more a little later with some pictures so you can see what you need to do. And it's just a matter of doing this and then plugging everything in, and then wrapping up the wires, and then putting everything back together. I'm going to show pictures of when I did this with the what we call the EA table and how to do the cords. This that's the actuator, but yours has a column. You see the plug, and the plug from the actuator plugs into this adapter end, as you can see, like so. And then you're just going to tape it up so that it doesn't come apart. And then you're going to put the wires and kind of wrap them up, like I said. And there's your control box with the battery attached. And then the foot switch goes into the bottom, as you can see in this picture. And the next one, just plug it in. Alright, and then you plug in the adapter one, and then that's it. Your table should be good to go once you wrap up all the wires. Okay, thank you.